Greetings everyone! Meet Sophanie Dalla, a passionate sustainability impact volunteer. In May 2025, she joined the Conservation Volunteers (TCV) at Boothbury Golf Club, removing invasive brambles and maintaining young trees supporting UN Sustainable Development Goal 15. Life on land. During the work, something unusual caught her eye. What looked like tree debris was actually moving. Upon closer inspection, it revealed a fascinating discovery. The bird cherry ermov, tiny caterpillars wrapped in silky webs. These moths, while defoliating trees, play a role in ecosystem balance. This moment highlighted the hidden layers of biodiversity and the importance of local conservation efforts. Sophonie's experience is a reminder that every act of care, from tree maintenance to species observation, advances global goals like climate action (SDG 13) and partnerships for the goals (SDG 17). Even the smallest creatures can teach us the biggest lessons.